What's up, my friends? Welcome to the Live Wide Open podcast. I'm your host, Randy B. Ramirez, also known as Wide Open Randy, and I'm here to serve anyone that's looking to level up their life from their current situation. This show is dedicated to helping raising the bar for all the motorsport enthusiasts out there, those who want more out of life, those who want to do more, those who want to be more, those who love the thrill, the joy, and the connection of what these high performance engines bring into our lives. My friends, because holding it wide open is what we do. Being a great freaking person is who we are. And living our lives to the fullest is the lifestyle that we fucking choose. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the importance of becoming highly disciplined within your life and why relying only on your motivation becomes the recipe for disaster. It becomes the thing that holds you back and the thing that makes you do very little progress within your life. It really does. Discipline wins over motivation every single time. And it took me a while to learn that because there's this common misconception out there about motivation. Everyone's like, oh, you got to be motivated. You got to be motivated. You got to be motivated to be successful. You got to be motivation is the key to success. And while, yes, motivation does get you going, what I've learned, what I've proved is that motivation, that shit is only temporary. And if you solely rely only on your motivation, you ain't gonna get much done within your life. It really is. I've learned that. On the other hand, discipline is about creating consistent habits and routines for yourself, regardless of whether you feel motivated or not. That is the difference. You see, motivation comes and goes, and it's not always present for you. It really isn't. It requires you to be constantly like hyped up, to be constantly feeling good, to be constantly challenging yourself to be able to get these sustained efforts over a long period of time. Motivation runs out, man. Discipline, on the other hand, it ensures that you stay committed to your goals, even on the days when your motivation is lacking. And there's going to be more days when it's lacking than when it's plentiful. Like, man, you think I want to always work out? You think I always want to read? You think I always want to work on myself? You think I always want to go for walks? You think I always want to do all these things? The unsexy habits? No. Like, more times than not, I'm like, man, I'm just going to skip today. Oh, man, I'm not feeling it. And if I relied on only doing it when I feel motivated, I'm going to get very much done. This is why discipline is so important to create for yourself, because discipline makes you show up when you don't fucking want to do the things you need to do. And more time than none, doing the things that you don't want to do are the exact same things that get you ahead in life. See, discipline ensures that you stay committed to your goals, even on the days when the motivation is lacking. That is so important. Motivation is typically associated with these short bursts of enthusiasm, these short bursts of like, let's get it, and you get hyped up. But what happens is that shit fades away. It never lasts long term. It really doesn't. And discipline is the total opposite of that. Discipline is a mindset, and it's a commitment to your long term success. Discipline, it provides the stability that you need to be able to overcome challenges and setbacks within your life. Ultimately, which is going to lead you to fucking level up. It's going to lead you to more growth. It's going to lead you to be more consistent. Discipline is the way to be. Motivation is kind of like nitrous oxide or NOS or NOS or whatever you want to call it. If you ever had a car that had nitrous in it, you would know that shit runs out. See, before my Camaro was turbo, my Camaro was heads, cam, and nitrous. And I would go to the races, and I would always have a bottle in the middle hooked up of nitrous, and I would always have a spare bottle in my passenger seat with the seatbelt on, because one bottle would not last me the whole night. If it was packed, sometimes two bottles of nitrous didn't last me the whole night. And so you go and you're going to go race, and the nitrous is going to help you go faster, but the nitrous runs out. And so the first bottle would run out. Okay, I got the second one. But then when the second bottle of nitrous would run out, my freaking fun for the night was over. It really was. And so nitrous oxide, nitrous, NOS, whatever the fuck you want to call it, It's kind of like motivation. That shit runs out. Discipline, on the other hand, developing a strong discipline for yourself, a strong sense of discipline within your life is kind of like installing a turbo or a supercharger into your well-being, because they never fucking run out. They always provide boosts. They're consistent. Um, they really are. And so there's no way that you're going to be able to attain the success that you want in your life. There's no way that you're going to be able to achieve big things in your life without facing any obstacles along the way, along your journey. Like, that's just, anyone who tells you that you're not going to face no obstacles is full of fucking shit. It really is. Achieving big things requires, unfortunately, going through a lot of hurdles, going through a lot of obstacles, facing a lot of challenges. And if you're constantly relying on being motivated to be able to take the action, you ain't gonna get very hard. You ain't gonna get very far. Discipline, on the other hand, empowers you to push through those fucking difficult times. It requires you to maintain focus. Discipline, it helps you persevere to face these challenges that you're gonna face on your journey while you become the best version of yourself. Motivation alone is not going to carry you through these tough times. It really isn't. Discipline, however, discipline is the foundation for building and maintaining your positive habits. It really is. When you want to establish a routine, when you want to establish new habits, when you want to establish something new within your life, having the discipline to actually show up for yourself, what that does is that it starts spreading the roots. So these new habits that you're trying to implement to your life can actually create lasting change for yourself. It can create lasting behavioral changes, because if you're not willing to change your behavior to from the things that are holding you back to the things that you need to do, then it's gonna be very difficult to create the success that you want for yourself within your life. Motivation will get you fucking started. It really does. There's no lie about that. Motivation is good to get you started, but discipline is what fucking keeps you going. It really is. And when you only rely on your motivation, you're always seeking some type of inspiration. You're always seeking like some type of encouragement. You're seeking some type of quick hit, or like some type of inspiration, or some type of like, oh, pick me up. You're always seeking some type of external reward so that you can get going. And the problem with that is that shit is not always going to be there. If you're constantly relying on some type of external resource for you to have fuel, for you to feel that, okay, now I can actually do the work, like, that's going to be whack. You're not going to do much. Discipline is what you need to create. Discipline is what creates this internal drive for yourself that doesn't rely on any external situations. It doesn't rely on, oh, I need to feel good so I can put in this work. No, man, you show up because you know it's the fucking thing you need to do. And creating discipline for yourself starts in the small things. Like, so many, I used to always think this, oh, I'm going to be disciplined with the big things, but I'm just going to put the little things aside. And an example that's just coming to mind right now is like the dishes. Like, if you eat a meal and you throw it in the sink and you're like, oh, I'll do it later, that is right there hurting your discipline. Related even to your professional life. Why? It's because if you can't show up for yourself with the little things, then you're not going to show up for yourself with the big things. And something so small as having the discipline to wash the plate and put it away after you eat is going to create the discipline. It's going to start creating the minor actions so that you can start showing up for yourself with the bigger actions. It really is. The independence that you create for yourself through discipline is a way, 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 way stronger force for you that any type of motivation can ever bring. It really is. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is something that you do long term. If you're always relying on your motivation, take it from someone who was, oh, you gotta be motivated. Oh, you gotta do this. Like, that shit only makes you feel good for a little bit. But for sustained long-term growth, for sustained long-term progress, to be able to do massive action, you gotta be willing to embrace the fucking suck. You gotta be willing to show up when you don't feel like it. You got to be willing to be disciplined to do the things that people don't want to do so that you can have the things that people don't have. um, I've learned over time that motivation will always fade away. No matter like no matter how hyped up you feel, no matter how inspired you feel, no matter how this is the time that I'm going to follow through. This is the time that I'm not going to quit. I promise you that if you're only relying on your motivation, you're not going to get very far. It is the truth. This is why it's so critical for any time that you set a goal, any time that you set a new task to go implement, every time that you set something that you want to do for yourself. This is why it's so important to take a step in that same moment that commits you to follow through with that goal, with that task, with whatever you're setting up for yourself, so that when you don't feel like it, it's already set up. It's already in motion. And so like an example that I can give you on that is like, maybe like, yeah, I'm thinking, how can you show up? Let's say working out, right? If you say that this year I want to lose weight, I'm going to start working out, right? Well, when you say that, it's typically when you're hyped up, when you're feeling inspired, when you're feeling like okay, I want to make the change. So right then and there, when you're feeling that, what you want to do is might want to call for the gym right there and sign up and commit to yourself that I'm going to go. Maybe you might want to call a partner or a buddy and be like, hey, you want to go together? You want to be my accountability partner so we can hold each other accountable so we can show up? And if you just want to do it by yourself, maybe right there when you say, oh, this is the year I'm going to go work out, this is the year I want to get in shape, then pull out your fucking phone, pull out your schedule, and find a time each day where you're going to go work out and put it on your fucking calendar. Because when you schedule it, you're already making the first move towards making it happen. After that, all you got to do is just fucking show up. It really is. And so discipline is the critical factor that gets you ahead in both personal and your professional life. It helps you develop professionally and helps you develop personally. By being disciplined, man, you can do so much more than you think you can. Because, excuse me, because if you're only waiting to put in the work when you feel motivated, man, it's gonna be so few times, and you're always gonna be relying on something to feel motivated so you can put in the work. Oh, I don't want to start this outline for the podcast because I don't feel inspired right now. Oh, I don't want to do this work project because right now I just don't feel like it. Like, no, take that shit out of the equation, take the motivation out, and rely on your discipline. Do the things that you say you're going to do, follow through with it, and build that internal confidence. When you're disciplined and when you show up for yourself, you start building your confidence. You start feeling better. And like I said, you start doing it with the little things, and before you know it, you're doing it with the big things. And before you know it, you're just like, it doesn't even take second. It doesn't even take effort. You're just like, all right, this is what I do. This is what we do. We put in the work. No matter if I don't feel like it, we're here to perform. You know, it really comes down to that. And so if you can foster the mindset of having continuous improvement and learning within your life, then you will see that being disciplined is the way to be. It really is. While motivation will initiate your desire for growth, discipline is what's going to ensure you to put in that constant effort. It's what's going to ensure you that you make massive progress in your pursuit of becoming the best version of yourself. Don't rely on motivation. Build the discipline to become the best version of yourself. And then this other thing that I want to throw out there is that I learned this from one of my mentors, and I want to share with you guys because it's been a freaking needle mover. This phrase right here has helped me do more than I thought I could. And it goes, let your life be driven by your habits and by your routine, not by your emotions. And so what that means is that don't fucking rely on your emotions, on you feeling well, or because I'm not feeling good, I'm not going to take the action. Fuck that. Take it out. Take the emotions out of the equation and rely on your habits and your routines that you set up for yourself so that you can create the success you want for within your life. Showing up for yourself takes discipline. And when you rely on your habits and your routines to follow through with your work, you start creating massive progress. You start getting massive action. You start getting massive results for yourself. So I'll repeat it one more time. Let your life be driven by your habits and by your routines, not by your emotions. My friends, I'm driving the checkered flag deep into the fucking ground, and I'm calling out all the motorsport enthusiasts out there, those who want to improve their situation. Let's break free from all the shit that's been holding us back, and let's prove to the world that they fucking wished they were like us. Those of you who made it to the end of the episode, I just want to say that you got yourself a win, and I truly freaking appreciate you investing your time into the Live Wide Open podcast. This movement is called Live Your Life Wide Open, and we're here to help others improve. We're here to help others evolve. We're here to help others just grow into the best version of ourselves. We are driven individuals out there to break the fucking stereotype and working towards becoming the best we can be. Join me on this journey while we help as many motorsport enthusiasts as possible to create the best lives that we can imagine. You can follow me on Instagram. My handle is WideOpenRandy. And if you felt any type of connection to this content you just consumed, I ask that you please share it with your friends or take it to the next level and post it on your story so that so many more people can see it, because that's how our message gets spread. Catch you guys on the next episode. Till then, live life wide open, my friends. Peace.